With a Zotero account and Zotero Connector plugin installed, we have all we need to begin collecting and citing sources. If you still need to register for an account or install the plugin, you can watch our Zotero video on that topic first. Now let's demonstrate how to use the account and plugin to store, manage, and cite references on any computer, all within your web browser. To begin, go to Zotero.org and click Login in the upper right. Log into your account. This directs you to your Zotero online workspace. This is your library where the references you collect will be stored online. So far it is empty. You can enter a new item manually by pressing the plus icon, indicating the type of source, and then filling out the fields in the right pane. But if you can find the source online, you can usually do this automatically with just a few clicks. There are two ways to accomplish this. One is by clicking the Add by Identifier icon. If you have a source's URL, ISBN, DOI, PubMed, or Archive ID, you can enter it in this field. Your source information will be automatically populated. The other way to get reference information into your library is to use the Zotero button while viewing a source in your browser. When Connector senses reference information, the button turns into either a book, folder, or file icon, depending on the type of source. Click the button. The information is automatically recorded into your library. Note that for Zotero to adjust for capitalization rules between citation formats, titles of books, web pages, journal articles, and other resources should be saved in sentence case. Edit these in the information pane for each source as needed. Zotero will upload a PDF of an article if available and record snapshots and URLs of web pages. These are viewable by clicking their icons in the attachment column. You can create subfolders in your library for specific projects by pressing the plus icon that appears when hovering over the My Library link. Simply drag files to the subfolder to associate them with it. My Library will always display everything you have collected. The information you collect is automatically saved to Zotero's cloud, so it's there waiting whenever you log in. Now that we've demonstrated how to collect and manage sources, let's move on to citing them. You can generate in-text citations by highlighting a source or any number of sources, and then clicking the Create Citations icon. You can change the citation style by clicking the drop-down by citation style and selecting the desired format. The provided citation can be copied by clicking the Copy to Clipboard button and then paste it into your paper. You can, of course, further edit within the paper if necessary. Full citations can be generated by highlighting any number of sources and clicking the Create Bibliography icon. Changing formats works the same as with in-text citations. You can easily generate an entire alphabetized list of works cited this way, ready to copy and paste into your paper. Be aware that the content you collect and the citations you output are subject to errors or may be incomplete. Make corrections in your library's info fields and in your paper as needed. You now know what you need to collect, manage, and cite references using your Zotero account and the Connector plugin. Again, if you need help establishing an account or installing the plugin, see our other Zotero video on that topic. As always, our friendly library staff is standing by to assist you.